Today I start new project. It's huge place, around 1300 square feet. You see, it's living room, or bedrooms. There is one more room, another one, and here is the area. So I will install here vinyl click, this one. It's already with underlay. What I want to do here, so first of all, I want to grind down all the debris and this mud from the subfloor. Then I will put Planipatch, seal the walls to avoid any leaking downstairs. This is second floor. And then I will do leveling. So now I'm going to do grinding. Let's go. This plywood is very clear, and I can put Planipatch, or I can seal the edges and put a special primer for wood and then do leveling. I finish grinding this dining and kitchen area. So here will be kitchen. This is a place for island, and still a lot. This side, that side. You see how many rooms, and right there. But I want to do patching today. This whole area with Planipatch, and what I want to do now, I just take sponge and make this plywood wet. Why I want to do it? So first of all, I collect whole with wet sponge. I collect whole dust, and second, it for better penetration of Planipatch to the plywood, for better bonding. So why I put Planipatch? I have a question from my subscribers. What's the reason? So we have two options. First of all, we can use primer, special primer for wood, for better bonding, self-leveling compound, and plywood. But here we have some little tricks. So when we put primer, also we have to fill up whole holes and all joints to avoid any leaks downstairs. And when we use Planipatch, we make two things. First of all, maybe three. First of all, we make very good bonding concrete on the top of the plywood. Second thing, we fill up whole holes and joints. And third thing, so if we have any some chipping plywood out or nuts, and so it's make, you see, it fill up all these things. Here is somewhere I got so big chipping out, you see. This I fill up with Planipatch. So now this floor is prepared for leveling. Here there will be island, and I put protection to avoid leaks downstairs. Also, I put on the wall insulation also to make expansion gap and also avoid leaks. So you see on the bottom of this membrane I put silicone, and we have two vents. Inside the vents I put foam, and then I put silicone around. So why I'm not putting wood or something over? Because foam fit very well, and if you overlap with concrete, this foam, very easy to break it. Now I wanna put primer and then install tripods, and we will start leveling. So now I'm using regular primer. I put water, approximately it will be 50% of water and 50% of primer. Why we add water? Because it's for better penetration of primer to the concrete and for better bonding. And then we write this primer into the Planipatch. It's not very visible. Okay, so if we shake a little bit, so here is a little bit here, around. You see, this is the green, and there is the green. So this is the highest spot. We can match right here, you see, and laser right there. So now I want to level for all this area by this point. Okay. You see, I make this line. It show me where is the spot, high point. So now I have very easy process. just set up tripods. So main point, so you see this plate, bottom plate, and line should be, green line should be exactly, exactly on the bottom of this plate. Very easy. Oops. So we have filled up self-learning compound by this plate. So very visible what we have to do. Here's, I set up all tripods, and now I want to start leveling from the deepest side. So this is the highest spot, and there is the deepest side, around ½ inch down. So I will start from there and going this way.
I hope this video was helpful, but I would like to concentrate your attention to this part.
This was highest point, and when I finish leveling, I still have a little bit gaps here because I'm not going so far. So what I can do, first of all, you see it's this straight edge going up a little bit, and somewhere here, somewhere here, I have little high spot, so I will grind a little bit here, then I put primer and slightly do patching with self-flowing compound. One subscriber asked me, can I do with Planipatch? With Planipatch you can't do it because when you're using straight edge and try to make even with Planipatch, Planipatch very sticky and it stick to the straight edge, and you can see so many lines and so many imperfections. So if you use straight edge, you can make how to say worse view and you can't fix. So usually you need to use self-flowing compound. If it's too thick, just put a little bit water, a little bit more, and add primer. Primer make it more looks like, you know, some buttermilk, self-flavoring, and easy to fill up.